And welcome back. Well, you wouldn't know it if you stepped outside at this hour, but temperatures today, and we were right near normal, 74 degrees here in Hattiesburg. 46 was our low. That was this morning. Of course, temperatures are dropping rather quickly. And speaking of some rain, and earlier this morning, we had a good amount of rainfall today, just under 3 inches. We had a very heavy cell move on through. So look at this. We're almost a foot above average for this time of year. Yeah, our drought is pretty much non-existent anymore. Also, along with this cold front, as it passed on through, it brought some really pretty satellite images. Look at all these clouds that have moved on through. You can see the upper level clouds moving a lot quicker from the southwest to the northeast. Of course, we're looking at the lower levels here, and that's where we have those northwesterly winds. And it's going to be chilly tonight, unfortunately, for the next several nights. I hope you had a good time trick-or-treating, because if it were tomorrow night, it'd be even worse. Thankfully, we are cooling on off tonight versus just being cold tomorrow night. Radar, again, keeping all those showers on off to our east. We're not worried about that. Tonight's lows, unfortunately, near freezing here in Hattiesburg. Places to the northwest, you have a better chance of being below freezing, so it could be our first freeze of the year. Also first freeze since April of this year. And those winds will be out of the north, 5 to 10 miles per hour. Clear skies, that's not going to help us out at all. Now, we do not have any freeze warnings across our viewing area, but if we zoom on out, pretty much everywhere else we do. You go to the northern, about the northern third of the state, as well as Alabama, all of Arkansas, and all of this goes all the way up near the Great Lakes are under freeze warnings along with this. High pressure building on in as we go into your Friday. Cold front well up to our southeast, just chilly conditions. Overall, temperatures are only going to top out in the mid to upper 50s. Winds will still be out of the north-northeast. Plenty of sunshine, but that's not really going to help warm us up at all. Dry air really starting to move on in as this cold front has passed on through. That dry air is also going to allow us to cool more efficiently. That's why we're expecting temperatures to remain cool for the time being on into your weekend as well. This jet stream has still had this dip. Again, snow up near the Great Lakes, and that's pretty much it. Warmer weather on out to the west. Of course, they don't need that. California is still dealing with all those fires. For us, it's just going to be chilly conditions overall. On your temperature outlook, yeah, I know yesterday we saw talking about being warmer from the 4th to the 8th. Now if we go from the 5th to 9th, so pretty much for your next Tuesday into your next Saturday, we have about a 33% chance of being below average. That's not a great probability, but that's still cool nonetheless. We will warm up for a day or two before we do start to cool back on off later on next week. So your forecast brought to you by Richard Schwartz and Associates for your Friday. Again, plenty of sunshine, 57 degrees, 61 for Saturday. Don't forget to set your clocks back an hour Sunday morning. That'll be at 2 a.m. officially. And 61 also for your Sunday with just a few more clouds. Overnight lows still in the 30s until Monday night. Slight chance of showers Monday night as well. Then we do start to warm up for your Tuesday, Wednesday. And then we do start to cool back on off. Mid to lower 60s for your Thursday and Friday. Overnight lows and back in the 50s during the back half of next week.